Tectonic plates by Dawson J. Convection currents are made up of hot magma that rises from the inner mantle to the upper mantle to get cooled and sink back down. A divergent boundary is where the convection currents pull two tectonic plates apart. When two plates diverge, it opens up a hole where magma comes out. When this happens under the sea, it causes the magma to come out on each side of a landmass that forms, causing the tectonic plates to spread apart even more, making new sea floor. A good example of a place that this happens at is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge in Iceland. Transformative boundaries are areas where two tectonic plates slide past each other or move in the same direction, just at different speeds. Areas that where this happens, it causes earthquakes. An example of a place that this happens is the San Andreas Fault. When two continental plates collide, they either subduct or rise into the sky. When two continental crusts rise into the sky, it causes mountains. When one continental crust subducts, it causes volcanoes and mountains. A good example of where this happened is the Himalayas. Oceanic continental subduction is when the oceanic plate subducts under the continental plate. When an oceanic plate subducts under a continental plate, it causes mountain ranges and trenches. It can also make earthquakes happen, which set off tsunamis. An example of where this happens is the Ring of Fire. Oceanic subduction is when two oceanic plates converge and the older, colder, denser one subducts. When this happens, trenches and underwater mountain ranges form. Sometimes they form high enough to make new islands. Tsunamis and earthquakes can also occur here. A good example of where this happens is the Solomon Islands. The crust is anywhere from 4 to 40 miles thick and goes from -0 degrees to 1,600 degrees. The mantle is 1,800 miles thick and goes anywhere from 1,600 to 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The core is 1,500 miles thick and 5,000 to 7,000 degrees Fahrenheit.